So I have all my ingredients, and my mama's gonna help me. So let's get started.
Okay. Okay, Nicole, so we're gonna start putting the salt on the...
Wait, no, I want to do that.
Okay, so put it there. That's the salt, and this is all-purpose flour. So mix it a little bit. Now you're gonna put the butter in the mixer.
Okay.
Watch out, be careful.
Now we're gonna add the sugar. Add it in. It's like a slide, like a slide.
Let me help you.
Okay. Go. Okay.
Now we're gonna mix the sugar and the butter. We're gonna turn the mixer on slowly. Go.
Okay.
Mix it for 5 more minutes, okay?
I'm gonna turn off the mixer, and I'm gonna add the dry ingredients with my spatula.
Hold on, Nicole.
This dry ingredient, and that. Okay, let's do this. The whole thing?
No.
Not the whole thing. Just a little bit.
Okay, stop there. Let me mix this.
No, I want to mix it. I want to mix it.
Okay.
Then it will look like dough. I love dough. I love playing with dough, so it's already starting to look like dough. When my arm gets tired, I use my other arm. So. Mix!
Wow!
I love making cookies. I make cookies with my grandma sometimes. So that's why I love making cookies. Okay. It. Other arm. Whoa, it started looking like dough. I love dough. Okay, our dough is ready. Now I am gonna put it. Whoa! And we're gonna put it in a bowl. In here, or a container. So we're gonna leave this in the fridge. First we're gonna put this plastic tape or something. Okay, wrap it around. Wait. So it just came out of the freezer, and we put some flour so it don't get stick. But I'm gonna roll it now. Don't roll it too much. I think that's good. Now I'm gonna cut. I like this one. Okay. No, I think I need to put a little bit more. That's fine. put it right up the middle. Press. It came out. It came out. Now I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna like a fork. So I'm gonna cut it this hard. Okay. And then. Okay. Wait, not like that. It's kind of too big. And really dry, like, look at that. Let me show it to you at the camera. Whoa. Can I do this now? Can I film it? It looks super cool. So they came out from the oven for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to decorate them with the red icing. Ooh. Look at that squirrel. Look at that. They're not really a cup. But, you know, it's kind of fun. Squeeze out this. Okay. Look at my hand. Now I'm gonna do the biggest cookie in the whole entire world. Okay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Hi, my name is Nicole. And today we're gonna make cookies, and this is my helper, my baby brother. His name is llamo baby. No me llamo Chuchu. No me llamo Gabriel. Chuchu. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole, and this is my baby brother, and today we're gonna make cookies. And here's my baby